What's going on, guys? Foodie Hat out here, the face behind the name. My name is Jeff. Hope you guys like the channel so far. Hope you've been liking the videos that I've been making. That last jjajangmyeon was absolutely delicious. You've probably seen a couple videos since then. Today I'm going to be making a dish for my wife's birthday called Japchae. It's a sweet potato glass noodle dish, usually comprised of beef and an arrangement of vegetables. To keep it plant-based, I'm leaving the beef out. It's going to be a sweet and savory sauce. My dish is going to have shiitake mushrooms, red peppers, carrots, onions, and some green onions for some color as well. I've really been loving everything about the Korean culture. It's something I've really been taking my pride in, like trying to learn and understand more, and I really respect everything about the food, man. It is absolutely amazing. So today I really hope you enjoy this dish. I know she'll love it, I'll love it. I want to share this with you guys. If you have any feedback or pointers or anything you can share to help me expand my knowledge on this, I'm open to it, I'm receptive, but I really appreciate you guys coming by the channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel first. Like the videos and share them with all your friends and family, because I'm really trying to get this thing off the ground. It's something that's near and dear to me, and I'm very passionate about what I do. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. Lastly, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. I really appreciate you guys being here, and I'll see you on the flip. Peace out.